Welcome, gardeners! Today we're exploring how to grow a bountiful vegetable garden, even if you're short on space. Container gardening is the perfect solution for balconies, patios, or small yards. Benefits of container gardening. It's perfect for small spaces, giving you control over soil quality, and you'll deal with fewer pests and weeds. Plus, it's portable. You can move your containers with the sun or weather, and it's just great for beginners. Choosing containers. Size matters. Aim for at least 12 inches deep for most vegetables. When it comes to material, plastic, ceramic, or fabric pots all work well. Just make sure they have proper drainage holes. There are so many options to choose from, so feel free to get creative. Selecting plants. Some of the best vegetables for containers include tomatoes, especially cherry or determinate varieties, peppers, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. Don't forget herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro. Carrots and radishes are also great choices, as well as bush varieties of cucumbers and zucchini. Soil and planting are crucial steps for a successful container garden. Use high-quality potting mix to give your plants the best start. Fill your containers, leaving about 1 to 2 inches at the top. Then plant your seedlings or seeds according to the instructions on the packet. For instance, here we're planting a tomato seedling. Watering and fertilizing are key to keeping your plants healthy. Water consistently and make sure not to let the soil dry out. For convenience, you can use self-watering containers or drip irrigation. Fertilize every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. And here's a tip. Always check the soil moisture to ensure your plants are getting enough water. Maintenance is an ongoing task in container gardening. Prune and stake your plants as needed to keep them growing strong. Keep an eye out for pests. We'll show you some common ones and how to deal with them naturally without harmful chemicals. Gardening vegetables can be a rewarding experience, but the presence of pests can often dampen the enthusiasm. Common pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and slugs can wreak havoc on your vegetable garden. Fortunately, there are natural methods to combat these unwelcome guests. For instance, introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs or lacewings can help control aphid populations since they feed on them. Similarly, hand-picking larger pests like caterpillars or using barriers such as copper tape can deter slugs and snails. Additionally, practicing crop rotation and maintaining healthy soil can naturally reduce pest infestations by disrupting the breeding cycles of pests and enhancing plant health. Another effective strategy involves using organic sprays and solutions that are less harmful to the environment compared to synthetic chemicals. Neem oil, for example, is a natural pesticide that works well against a variety of pests and also helps in controlling fungal diseases. Garlic or hot pepper sprays can also be homemade and used to repel insects without damaging plants. Furthermore, encouraging a diverse ecosystem in your garden by planting a mixture of crops can attract natural predators of pests, such as birds and frogs, while deterring pests through natural competition. By employing these natural methods, you can enjoy a healthier garden and a bountiful harvest without the need for harmful chemicals. And remember to harvest regularly to encourage more production. With these tips, you'll be harvesting fresh veggies from your containers in no time. Remember, gardening is a learning process. Have fun and enjoy your homegrown produce. Thank you for watching. For more, visit gardeningwiz.com.